I can't give my heart a break. You take my breath away. You know the right words to say. You made me find love again. The way you put it on me feels so right. I need you, I can't lie. I want you right by my side till the end of time.
Being with you, it's like my heart skips a beat. And when you in front of me, I can't even speak. No, it's like I'm.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a crochet headband wig. Without further ado, let's get to it. I'll be using this crochet wig cap with combs.
Girl, you so fine. I'm hoping I can make you mine every night.
I am using one pack of expression braiding hair. I'll cut the hair in 3 equal parts, then I'll go ahead and unravel the ends of the hair. I am brushing the hair to make sure it is tangle free. I'll begin crocheting from the back of the cap, and I'll be doing the regular crochet method.
I just wanna know what you feel about me. Go and pick you up, we can shoot a movie scene. Girl, what you really tryna do, babe? This time with you, I don't wanna lose it.
I know you hear this many times. You bring joy to my life. Can't do this without you. You shine through my gray skies. Like a light, boy, you made me feel so nice. I'm on cloud nine.
Girl, you know that I would do anything for you. Pick you up, you know I can't leave you down, babe. Growing up, I'm trying to get high like we out of space. Cause ain't no one in the way.
I
We
get
got
high on you. So what we gonna do? I get high on you. So what we gonna do?
Now I'm at the front of the cap. I am crocheting the hair very closely, and also I am using lesser hair.
Flashbacks coming in.
It's time to brush the hair again, guys, to make sure it is tangle free. Now we're going to use the straw and our bobby pins to curl the hair. And guys, all I'm doing is wrapping the hair around the straw, and I am twisting the hair as I wrap around the straw.
You became her best to be, and you became my Mr. Gray Skies. You took the best of me and turned it into the worst of me. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. I did this for me. Don't take it personally. I did this for me. I did this for me. I sense you behind me, but when I turn around, your spirit hides from me. As tears run down my face, I hear your voice say you'll be okay, but it was all a dream. It was all dream. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. The more we try, the harder to move on. Nothing is good in goodbyes. They say love never dies. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go on. You took something from me, forgot my word. You had too much power over me. I can't let this go. So I gotta move on. Mr. Gray Skies, I have to go.
This is the finished look. Now we're going to take the hair and add it to the hot water, but before we do that, we're going to add some conditioner to the water and immerse the hair into the water. You can let the hair sit in the water for 5 to 10 minutes and then drip dry. Now the hair is finished dried, we're going to remove the straws and look at our gorgeous curls.
I did this for me. I did this for me. I did this for me. Don't take it personally.
Here we have some beautiful curls, guys.
I did this for me.
This is for my babies.
I am adding some rose aroma oil to the hair, but you can add any oil of your choice to the hair. When separating the hair, guys, take into consideration the kind of curls you want. The kinkier the curls, the more you're going to separate the hair. I am going for that kinky, natural look.
I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. You don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face, 'cause baby I love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change.
This is how the hair is looking after I finish separating my curls. Now I'll go ahead and trim the hair.
Things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. I love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down, and that's how it's gonna be.
Here we have the final look. What do you all think of this crochet headband wig? Next, I'll be putting on the wig for you to see how the wig is looking.
Baby, I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try.
I plait a piece of the braiding hair to cover the cap. I'll be using bobby pins to secure the braid.
And even if you let your hair go wild, and you take a break from your favorite stilettos.
If you like this video, go ahead and leave your girl a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, guys, click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Until next time, bye.